We're going to solve the inequality 3x squared plus 4x minus 4 is greater or equal to 0. So we've got 3x squared plus 4x minus 4 is greater or equal to 0. So factorise if possible, and it probably always will be at IGCSE. So we know how to factorise a quadratic expression. Product 3 times minus 4, which is minus 12. Sum is the middle number, which is 4. Two numbers, when we multiply them together, we get minus 12. And if we add them, we get 4. So it's going to be minus 2 and 6. Minus 2 times 6 gives minus 12. Minus 2 plus 6 gives me 4. We now take our quadratic expression, write down 3x squared, and we split 4x into minus 2x plus 6x minus 4 is greater or equal to 0. We group together the first two terms, the common factor of x, so we get x, 3x minus 2. Bring down the plus, and then write down 2 is a common factor, and write 3x minus 2. We notice here and here we have the same factor, so that can now come out. And then we get x plus 2 is greater or equal to 0. Right, these are called to find the critical values, because this is what we want to know, the critical values where it's negative, positive, or negative, where it's going to actually change. We put 3x minus 2 equal to 0. It gives 3x is 2, therefore x is 2 over 3. Or x plus 2 is equal to 0, and x is minus 2. Now, if we now sketch this quadratic y is equal to 3x squared plus 4x minus 4, and it's only a sketch, these are the two roots, so we'll mark those on. So we've got 2 over 3 and minus 2. We also know it goes through minus 4 on the y-axis because of this number here. Okay, and we've got a plus 3x squared, so we know it goes that way. The minimum point will be somewhere over there, but we're not really interested in it. So we'll draw the graph like that. And we've got y is 3x squared plus 4x minus 4. Right, where is this graph positive? We want to know where the graph is positive. So the graph is positive here. So that's every value of x less than minus 2. And positive here, every value of x greater than 2/3. So drawing that on our diagram, there, and we include the point because we're including greater or equal to. So our answers are going to be x is less than or equal to minus 2, or x is greater or equal to 2/3. We cannot join these up because the bit in the middle is not in the area. This is where the graph is negative. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to solve a quadratic inequality. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.